Alright, today I'll be making baked chicken thighs with gravy. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of paprika, and about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix well and make sure each piece is coated well. Add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom of your pan and brown your chicken thighs on both sides. Remove the thighs from the pan, then add about 3/4 cup of flour. Now season with a tablespoon of granulated garlic and about 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Now gradually add 3 cups of water. Once you've made your gravy, place the chicken thighs into the gravy. Now put that pan into the oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. Hit that notification bell for more videos and subscribe to the channel.